Hello Easter viewers, welcome to my tutorial on creating an Eton mess Easter egg. So this was my inspiration for my Eton mess dessert Easter egg from Lidl. So here he is, little white egg. Then I'm going to take fresh cream, the best Roland's Dairy creams. I've got some raspberry coulis ready, crushed meringue, strawberries, a little bit of chocolate ready for grating. I've got my little hot knife ready to cut through my egg and my dishes ready for it to go into. So here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is carefully cut the egg in half. So I'm just going to get him out of this box. Ooh, smells good. Oh, I'm a bit disturbed because it's only got the pattern on one side. So someone's going to get the chocolate. That's going to be a toss-up for the chocolate. So I'm just going to move that out of the way. And then I'm going to take a hot knife, some boiling water in here. And I'm just going to, it might just crack open itself, but I don't want to risk it because I don't want to break the bowls. Oh, look at that, it's going through. If I was eating it, obviously I'd just smash it, but I'm not. I'm going to create this lovely dessert. Whoops, looks like a money box. Ooh. This is really nerve-wracking. Feels like it could smash at any point. Sandra, you made this look easy when you made your egg. Ooh. And of course, white chocolate has got higher fat content, so it melts faster than milk and dark chocolate. It's got more. Oh, this is it. Ah, it's cracked. No, keep going. Keep going around the seam. Like that. Da, da, da. So we've got two little bowls ready for the Eton mess mixture. So I'll just tidy these away. I'd lay them in these little dishes. Perfect for half an egg. Look at that. And just shift that out of the way. Just use a bit of this because I'm a messy thing. There we go. Then I'm just going to tip my strawberries in to the cream, and I'm going to tip my meringue in. There we go. Strawberry. And just give it a little swish in the cream. Just give it a nice little smush. Smush it round. There we go. Smush, smush. Oh yes. So there we have the Eton mess mixture. Now I'm just going to use this to squish it into the egg. I'm just picking it up and sliding it into the egg. This is actually quite a lot of Eton mess mixture per person, but it's, you know, it's a treat. Spooning it in. It's quite a lot of cream. This is a treat. Do try this at home if you fancy something like this. You could also use a milk chocolate egg if you wanted. Now, a good friend of mine did suggest pouring Baileys on this to make it extra special, but I don't have any. Should I put it all in or leave a bit? I think that's enough for me now. So, now, on onto mine, I'm just going to spoon some raspberry coulis just because it's nice and sharp. Just dribble it on like that. Now, Jim doesn't want any on his because he's not keen on the old coulis stuff, but I think it's nice and cuts through the sweetness. Just show you my special Easter plate. That was a birthday present. So there's the 2 eggs prepared. Oh, sorry, I licked my finger. I'll not touch anything with my licked finger. This is just a piece of Malteser chocolate. And now I'm going to just grate it over the top, just for a little bit of extra sweetness and chocolate. Oh, it's not coming out very dark on the dessert, but it's, you know, it's the flavour's there. There we go. Grab it. So there we have it. Our 2 very delicious Eton Mess Easter egg desserts.